Hi guys, it's me, Kenny Alcantara. Please like and follow IMJ Interactive.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to Bicol Season 2. And this is the Game 2 for Bicol Season 2 Finals between Santo Domingo National High School and Taraga National High School. Let us now meet our players from Santo Domingo National High School. Jersey number 24, Abina. Jersey number 25, Rodelas. Jersey number 6, Nagar. Jersey number 17, Formaran. Jersey number 7, Ariate. Jersey number 19, Rivera. Jersey number 23, De La Cruz. Jersey number 11, Toledo. Jersey number 42, Borbe. Jersey number 13, Maliample. Jersey number 14, Mase. Jersey number 15, Advincula. Jersey number 3, Masinas. Coach Genesis Bolto Jr. And jersey number 16, Calampo. Let's meet the players from Taraga National High School. Jersey number 2, Salvacion. Jersey number 5, Villares. Jersey number 6, Lumavi. Jersey number 7, Acapado. Jersey number 20, Boral. Jersey number 9, Brito. Jersey number 0, Manrique. Jersey number 11, Santig. Jersey number 25, Fajardo. Jersey number 23, Saculo. Jersey number 14, Adolfo. Jersey number 17, Rayalo. Jersey number 21, Pispis. Jersey number 1, Bautista. And jersey number 19, Batia. And Coach Roland Saharka. And of course, our officiating officials, Coach Mr. Edmond Farao. Umpire 1, Noyles. And Umpire 2, Mr. Ronnie Maleniza. Shake hands. From Santo Domingo National High School, jersey number 17, Formaran. Jersey number 14, Mase. Jersey number 11, Toledo. Jersey number 16, Colombo. And jersey number 13, Malyape. And first five from the Dalaga National High School, jersey number 31, Pispis. Jersey number 5, Viñales. Jersey number 7, Acabado. Jersey number 1, Bautista. And jersey number 25, Fajardo. Let's give them a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment of truth. Now bring you to our official marker, Sir Angelo.
Thank you, Coach Apple. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Game 2 Finals of Bicol Season 2 Juniors Division. You are watching Dalaga Defenders versus San Domingo National High School. First ball. Out of bounds, and that's a turnover. We warmly welcome our visitors and friends all the way from Albay. Welcome to Ateneo de Naga University. Thank you so much for supporting our players. Number 14, dribbling the ball. That's backcourt violation, resulting in a turnover. Who will get the first point of this game? A do or die competition for Santo Domingo National High School. Number 5, generating the first play for his team. Quick pass to number 31, dribbles, back to number 5. Number 5, driving the ball, shoots against all odds, no good. Rebounded by Santo Domingo, breakaway pass to number 14 for an easy yet slightly rejected layup. Turnover. Well, defense for both teams, ladies and gentlemen. Inbound by number 7 to number 5. Once again, making a play for his team to number 3, to number 5, number 31. And the first foul is called, foul number 25. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 14, number 17, Santo Domingo, now attacking. Diretso straight into the air, but not into the basket. Number 5, quick pass to number 1. Out of bounds, that will be the same ball. Number 5, dribbles. From long range, this is the rim, but not the basket. Number 13 against 2. Waited for his teammate. Number 11, number 17. Who will get the first point on this game? Number 14, that pass to number 16. 10 to shoot. Back to number 14, pump fakes. U-step shoots from the board, straight into the basket. That's the first point of the game, brought to you by number 14 of Santo Domingo National High School. Intercepted, yet retrieved. Heavily guarded, trapped. Number 11, and that's a traveling violation. Number 5, inbound to number 7. Once again, number 5, carrying the ball. Dribbles. Loses his balance. Number 1 against all odds. Rejected. Quick pass to number 13. Number 13 attacks. Shoots. Straight into the basket. Plus a bonus shot. Foul number 1. First personal foul. Second team foul. And he didn't complete the 2-point play, yet they make it 4. Santo Domingo now leading with 6 points. Number 25 releases, still struggling to make a point. Number 7, number 5 from downtown, still no luck for their 3-point attempts. Number 14. Slowly breaking the defense of the defenders. Number 14. Foul. Number 5. First personal foul and third team foul. Inbound by number 14. Quick 3-point, get 3, ejected, rebounded, offense, nice pass, shoots, but didn't connect. For their second attempt, puts it into the basket, still no good. Third attempt, shoots, still no good. For their 3 tries, good defense by the defenders themselves. Now attacking, rejected. Santo Domingo, back to their feet, shoots, no good. Second attempt, rejected. What a wonderful defense by both teams. Defenders still struggling to make a point. Number 5, once again, maybe this is the play he's been waiting for. Yet another foul was called. Number 1, second personal foul, 4th team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 17, the number 11, the number 13. Shoots! No good this time. Rebounded for their second attempt. Intercepted by the defenders. The number 1 breakaways. Will this be their first point? And they make it. First point of the game of the defenders. Made possible by number 1. Santo Domingo attacks, Euro step, fades away. No good. Defenders now rolling back to number 7. Easy layup. Timeout, Santo Domingo. Running score 6-4. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. A do or die match of Santo Domingo. If they win, the third and final game will be held at Albay.
Oo, gilid-gilid oh. May advantage ka doon. Hindi mo siya kailangan dalhin sa labas. May advantage ka doon. Okay? Now, gusto natin magpalit. Halimbawa nandito yung bola. Sabi ko sa'yo, atakihin ulit natin. Okay? 1 possession lang ha. Mag-4 man down kayo. Bibigay ko muna to sa'yo. Atakihin mo si Villares. May isa ng foul eh. Ha? Gusto ko makuha na ng pangalawang foul. Now, pag wala, pagbalik natin, pag wala. Okay? Pag wala, malyapre. Pustihan mo. Dwayne, pag-cut mo rito, sasabay yung tao. Kalaps. Pag nandito na yung bola, pangat ka rito. Libre si Malyapre, okay? Pag binigay na bola, di ba kakat ka Dwayne? Kunwari ka lang pupunta dyan. Wala pa kay Malyapre yung bola o na kay Malyapre yung bola. Handok natin. Tignan natin yung baktor. Pag wala, dribble, tapos may tao tayo sa corner. Tapos pwede tayo magkandok.
And we're done, and we're back in the ball game. Santo Domingo dominating for the first few minutes, and defenders coming back up. Will they regain their emotion? Santo Domingo dribbles against number 5. Attacks straight into the key. No good. Defenders, an opportunity to back the lead. Number 5, once again, quick pass inside, loses the ball, and that's a turnover. Number 13 to number 14. Number 14 to number 17. 10 to shoot. Releases. No good. Second attempt. Heavily guarded. Defenders now with the ball. Quick passing number 7. Intercepted by number 13. Number 13. Number 14. Drives. Straight into the key. But didn't connect. Releases. 3 points. And that changed the face Domingo. Dribbles. Number 17. Number 13. Pushes. Turns around. Baseline drive. And they regain their lead in an instant. Number 7. Looking for an attack. Against 3. Baseline drive. And that's a traveling violation. Number 17. Number 13. Pushes hard. Trap inside the 2. And that's a traveling violation. Substitution, Santo Domingo. Defenders. Now with the ball. Number 5. Releases a quick 3 points. No good. Second attempt. Straight into the basket. Defenders now back on their feet, leading with 1 point. We are witnessing a seesaw turn of events. Number 7 releases. No good. Second attempt by number 13. Attacks. Bounce pass inside. Shoots. And the whistle was blown. 3 minutes remaining time for the first period. Number 31. Releases. Nothing but net. Wonderful shot by number 7. Number 2. Number 7. Easy peasy 2 points. Defenders still leading with 2 points. Number 5 attacks. Quick pass outside, releases. And a foul is scored. Foul number 24. Number 24, first personal foul, first. No good for the first one. And he makes the second. And that's 2 out of 3 by number 31. Triple substitution for the defenders. Number 7. Dribbles. Shoots. Foul number 9. First personal foul. Penalty. He makes the first one. And that's 2 chickens in the bucket by number 6. Two minutes remaining time. Game brought to you by Rotary Club of Naga and People's General Insurance Corporation. Number 6. Number 14. Back to number 6. Dribbles, drives into the key. Straight into the basket. Number 7. Intercepted from behind by number 6. Running like a wind, quick pass. Straight into the basket. Nice moves. Number 7. inside, turns around, rejected, but the foul was called. Foul number 23. First personal foul. Penalty. And he makes the first one. No good for the second one. Defenders trapped. Foul number 2. First personal foul, second team foul. Quick pass inside. Kurugo pass into a beautiful reverse layup. Number 7. Number 15. Attacks. Rejected by number 9. 54 seconds remaining time for the first period. Now pass to number 24. Pump fakes, drives, shoots, didn't connect. Second attempt, and the foul was called. Foul number 9. Second personal foul, penalty. No good for the first one. And he misses them both. Defenders, now with the ball. Dribbling, number 14. To number 23. Back to number 14. Releases. From the board, straight into the basket. Now leading with 2 digit. Shoots, no good. Shot clock is off, 20 seconds. Foul number 7. First personal foul, first team foul. Substitution, defenders. Shot clock is off, 17 seconds. Number 14. Timeout, defenders.
Kabado, kamay ito. Kabado. Koy. Here, Koy. Piben. Sino mga pachang. Sak. Okay. Pigay Koy, ha. Pigay Koy. Koy. Tumas dito, ha. Koy, dito. 40 seconds yan. Sabay nun. Slap mong bola, Kabado, ha. Corner. Piben. Okay. Habol. Bigay mo dito sa gitna. Okay, habol yan doon. Pilingan mo ha. Si Koy, ay si Isak. Mismatch, bantay. Pacham ha. Mismatch kay Koy. Ay hindi na, ikaw na lang ang digdib. Isak. Para at least, wala ka Pacham dyan. Pag naman ni Pacham, ay ni Isak. Wala ka dito. Bigay mo. Bigay mo.
Defenders now their 2-digit lead for the remaining 14 seconds of the first period. Inbound by the defenders, looking for someone. The number 7 inside, rejected. 5 seconds. And that's the end of the first quarter with the score 23-13 in favor of the Naga National High School. Number 14. Starting the second quarter. The number 6. Heavily guarded. Looking for someone. The number 23. Pushes. Up fakes. Pushes hard but didn't make it. And it's good. Same ball. Number 14. The number 6. The number 13. Turns around, shoots, no good. Defenders. Number 14, heavily guarded, dribbles, loses his guard. The number 6, baseline drive, quick pass to number 19. And he makes it. Number 14, dribbles against number 14. And the foul was called. Number 14, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 14 to number 13. Attacks. Passes it outside. Number 13 drives. Reverse layup. What a wonderful drive by number 13. Breakaway pass to number 6. And that pass was too strong. Turnover. Santo Domingo. Once again, number 14 against number 14. Number 23. Drives, turns around against 3. Loses. Number 13 with the ball, fades away, shoots. And the foul was scored. Foul number 23. Number 23, first personal foul, second team. Number 23, second personal foul, second team foul. And he makes the shot. Running score 25-16. 8 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Releases. No good. Number 14. Generating a play for his team. Guarded once again by number 14. Number 23. 5 to shoot. And he makes it. Number 14. Dribbles. Intercepted by number 14. Running like a wind. Shoots. Rejected. But the foul was scored. Foul number 7. Number 7, first personal foul, third team foul. Substitution, Santo Domingo. And he makes the first one. No good for the second one. Defenders. Number 14 against number 14. The number 23. Attacks. Perimeter shot. Didn't make it. Number 14 to number 3. The number 14. Diretso, sumalaksak. Pinasa kay number 16. Shoots. he makes the three-point play. Santo Domingo now crawling back at their feet. Number 14. Number 6. Attacks. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Foul number 14. First personal foul, first team foul. 14 shot clock. Intercepted by number 14. Yet retrieved by number 14. Number 14 shoots. No good. Number 6 rebounding the ball. To number 2. Didn't connect. Third attempt. Jump shot. No good. Rebounded now by Santo Domingo. Slowly breaking in the wall of the defenders. Number 14 attacks. Rejected. Breakaway pass to number 23. Easy layup. Number 13. Number 6. Number 16. Attacks. Shoots. And he makes it. Number 6. From long range. No good. Rebounded by number 3. Breakaway pass to number 6. Substitution, talaga defenders. Santo Domingo rather. Number 14. Attacks. 10 to shoot. Turns around. 5 to shoot. Pump fakes. Hook shot. Straight into the basket. Santo Domingo. Pump fakes. Traveling violation. 5 minutes remaining time for the first half. Running score 29-24. A 5-point lead of the Naga defenders. Number 6. Shoots. No good. Number 6, Euro step into a reverse layup, but didn't make it. Number 6, shoots the 3, no good. Number 23, number 14, lap pass to number 6. Quick 3-pointer there, with a smile on his face, 3 points. Number 17. 10 to shoot. Nice pass by number 16. Number 14. Five to shoot. Number 3, number 17. Number 6. Looking for a play. Number 16. National High School. Running score 32-26. Still in favor of Daraga defenders.
Inasahan sa depensa mo sa triple. Tagiling ka sa salog. Hindi ka nasupok, pigtirahan kang harap-harapan. Ikaw na kumuha kay ano? Kay, sa ano? Hindi. Dalawa lang. Ano yung lumabi? Ikaw na kumuha kay ano? Kay lumabi. Huwag ka susundot, kulit-kulitin mo lang ha. Malaki ka dyan. Okay. Baseline tayo, Malya pre, Kalampong, Edwin, ikaw magano, De La Cruz. Malya, screen, slide, tingnan natin to ha. Kalampong, siksik mo yung tao ni De La Cruz, slide ka, paunahin mo muna si Malya pre, pag wala sa kakang gumalaw ha. Dahil ka sa likod din.
Number 17. The number 3. Releases. No luck for their 3 points. Number 16. Intercepted by the defenders. Number 5 to number 23. Rejected. But the foul was scored. Foul number 23. Number 23, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 23, first personal foul, second team foul. And he makes it. Number 17 against number 5, heavily guarded. Number 13. Number 3, 10 to shoot. Releases. 2 points. Number 5. Jump shot, no good. Number 93 for their second attempt. Steps outside, 10 to shoot. Number 5, 5 to shoot. What a wonderful play made by the defenders. Eight seconds violation, turnover. Substitution for both teams. Number 6 to number 5. Number 5. Inside. Number 6, pump fakes. Quick pass to number 19. Nice play once again by the defenders. Number 17. Number 19. Number 3. Kisses the rim but not the basket. Second attempt, floater. And he makes it. 1 minute remaining time for the second quarter. Number 5 releases. 3 points by number 5. Now on their 11-point lead. Number 17. 10 to shoot. Releases. Still no luck for the 3-point attempts. second personal foul. Penalty. Number 6, warning for resentment drop-off. The defenders. And he makes the 2 shots. 37 seconds remaining time. Probably the last possession for both teams. And a foul will score. Foul number 7. First personal foul, third team foul. He makes the first one. And that's 2 chickens in the bucket by the defenders. Number 5, number 13, dribbles, heavily guarded, attacks, teardrop, but no good. Shot lang is off. Line pass outside, no good. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And that's the end of the second quarter with a score 42-32, a 10-point lead of Daraga National High School. back to the third quarter of the match. Once again, you are watching Dalaga National High School versus Santo Domingo National High School. Game 2 finals, do or die. The awarding will be tomorrow for the Rookie of the Year and MVP. After the awarding, we'll be having the final Game 2 between the Ateneo de Naga University and Naga College Foundation. So that's for college senior division. Number 7 to number 5. Number 5 drives, rejected. Santo Domingo. Number 5. The number 5. The number 7. And to shoot. Releases. No good this time. Number 35. Intercepted by Santo Domingo. Quick pass to number 14. Shoots. Second attempt and they nailed it. Number 23. Five to shoot. Foul was scored. Foul number 16. First personal foul, first team foul. No good for the first one. And he makes the second. Running score 43-36. Santo Domingo. Dribbles. Number 3. From long range, still no good. Second attempt, failed. Daraga. Number 5. Number 7 for a quick release. 3 points. Intercepted, turns around, shoots, rejected. Number 14. Number 3. Releases. Still no luck for the 3 points attempt. No good. Third attempt. Still no luck for the shots of Santo Domingo defenders. Number 7. Shoots. Didn't connect. Rebounded by number 3. Intercepted by the defenders. A wasted opportunity. Number 7. Attacks against 4. And he makes it. Number 5. Number 23. Number 5. Shoots. 3 points. Now they're back on their 11-point lead. Number 2. Number 16. foul is called. Foul number 25. Number 25, second personal foul. Warning for Daraga, bench Bicol. Once again, warning for Daraga, bench Bicol. Number 23, number 14, number 13, Confix. Back to number 13, attacks! By the fouls. Foul number 9. Number 9, third personal foul. Third personal foul, third team foul. He makes the first one. Point lead of Daraga. Number 23, Dear God, 2 points. Cutting the lead into 1 digit. Number 5. Number 14, second personal foul, second team foul. Number 23, shoots, no good, second attempt, and he makes it. Number 5, intercepted by Santa Domingo. Shoots, no good. Number 7, and a foul was called. Foul number 13. Number 13, first personal foul, third team foul. And he makes the first one. No good for the second one. And that's 2 out of 3 substitutional defenders. Number 23. Number 14. Shoots. Still no good. Number 23. Releases. Number 7. Out of bounds. Breakaway pass. Number 31. Rebounding the ball. Releases. Air ball. Number 23. Basket counts. Foul number 9. Number 9, fourth personal foul. Warning for exclusion. Third team foul. And he completed the three-point play. Number 6, quick three-point attempt. Air ball. Number 7. And number 13. Number 7. Back to shoot. Against all odds. And he makes it. Number 14. Against number 14. Lose the ball and that's a turnover. Number 23. Back pass. And that's a traveling violation. Number 14. Heavily guarded. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Substitution. 31, first personal foul, 4th team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 23 attacks, slightly rejected. Number 31. Number 14. Shoots. Timeout. Santo Domingo National High School. Running score 53-48, still in favor of Daraga National High School.
Yung tao si Pispiso, kaya ba siya nito? Lupus! Huwag kang atake ng atake, tingnan natin. Ha? Tingnan nyo ha, nagsasag lagi si nagsasag lagi si Salvacion. Diba? Nagsasag si Salvacion ngayon, yung tao mo. Dito lumabas ka rito, lumabas ka rito, okay? Hindi, ito si Malyapre. Ibigay natin yung bola kay Malyapre, diba? Nandyan. Tapos ikaw ngayon, cut ka. Okay, huwag muna. Ibigay mo na kay Malyapre. Yung tao natin dito, iskina, kasi ito ang mag-cut. Ngayon, ikaw De La Cruz, pin down mo si Salvacion. Ikaw, magpakita ka rito. Burbe, para malaps. After handoff, kung wala, corner. Pag wala, kaya mong one-on-one malaps. Pag drop down niya, slide ka nila to. Okay, malaps, dalawa option mo. Tatlo, takihin mo. Bigay ka rito kay for jump shot, ha?
We are back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Number 14, running like a wind, looking for someone. Heavily guarded, trapped, intercepted by the defenders. Number 22 for a breakaway layup. And he makes it. Intercepted once again. Number 6 to number 14. Big pass inside. Back-to-back points for the defenders. Foul number 9. Number 14. Second personal foul. Second. Penalty. He makes the first one. No good for the second one. Number 23 with a rebound. And he makes a shot plus a bonus points. Number 23, third personal foul, penalty. Foul number 23. Fourth personal foul. Warning for exclusion. Penalty. No good for the first one. If he makes the second, substitution and defenders. Number 6. Two minutes remaining time. Then to shoot. Big pass inside. No good. Second attempt. And the foul score. Foul number 7. Second personal foul. 4 team foul. Warning for penalty. First shot connects. No good for the second one. Defender still with the ball. Number 7. Dribbles. Number 6. Attacks. Sumalaksak. What a speed by number 6. Breakaway pass to number 7. Easy revenge. Number 6. Outfix. Shoots. No good. Rebounded to himself. Substitution, Santo Domingo. Running score 60-54. A 6-point lead of the defenders. 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining time for the third period. Number 14. Teardrop from the board into the basket. Number 6. Against 2. Bounce pass to number 2. Easy revenge. 48 seconds. Probably the last possession for both teams. Number 14 to number 7 from long range. Missed. Rebounded by Santo Domingo. Number 6 with the ball. Looking for someone. The number 7. And a foul score. Alright, we'll be reviewing what had happened. Live coverage brought to you by IMJ Interactive on Facebook. So if you have your photos with you, you can post it on your social media accounts using our official hashtag. That's hashtag Bicol Season 2. Number 1 of Daraga National High School, out of the playing court. Number 23 of Santo Domingo National High School, and sportsmanlike foul. Santo Domingo's basketball. Shot clock. Number 7. Number 13. Releases. Kiss the rim, but not the basket. Second attempt failed. Third attempt. Still no good. The foul was scored. Foul number 2. Penalty. Number 2, first personal foul penalty. And he makes the first one. 2-point play. That's number 2. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds remaining time. Pump fakes. Drives. 10 seconds. Straight into the basket. 5 seconds. And he makes it. And that's the end of the third quarter. With a score 64-60. A 4-point lead of Daraga National High School. A do-or-die competition between Santo Domingo National High School versus the Naga Defenders. Number 7 against number 5. Dribbles, turns around, loses the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 6 attacks once again, loses it. Intercepted, yet retrieved, yet intercepted, and retrieved once again by Santo Domingo. Straight into the key, nice pass, baseline, and he makes it. Now we're down to a 2-point lead. Nagagawan, retrieved by Daraga. Number 5 from long range, no good. Santo Domingo now with the ball. An opportunity to cut the lead. 3, unsportsmanlike foul. 2, unsportsmanlike foul. Out of the play. 2 free throws will be given to Dalaga plus a ball possession. And he makes the first one. Defenders now back on their lead. Number 25, number 7. Quick pass to number 6. Attacks, rejected. Number 13 running like a wave. Quick pass to number 6. Looking for his teammates. Quick release, no good. Rebounded by number 14. Number 14. Dribbles. Number 5. Attacks. Number 7. 10 to shoot. Teardrop. Perfectly connected. Number 6. Basket counts. Foul number 14. Number 14, third personal foul, first team foul. And he didn't complete the 3-point play. Intercepted by number 13, turns around. And the foul was scored. Foul number 25. Third personal foul, second team foul. Perfect release for the first shot. No good for the second one. Number 5. The number 14. Pop fakes. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 14. From long range. Airball. Shot clock violation. Substitution Saturday. 7 minutes remaining time for the fourth quarter. Defenders still leading with 4 points. Emily Gardner, number 13, pushes. Foul number 6, third personal foul, third team foul. Number 14, number 6. Rejected. Number 5. Number 5, generating a play. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 16. The number 17. Attacks. And didn't make it. Throws the ball into the air, but the foul was called. Foul number 25. Number 25, fourth personal foul. Warning for exclusion. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. And he makes the first one. No good for the second one. Number 5. Releases, no good. Santo Domingo now with the ball. Number 13, releases. 3 points by number 13. Second deadlock of the game. Releases. Revenge didn't connect. Now, Santo Domingo has an opportunity to claim the lead. Number 13 for an open fire. 3 points. Defenders now generating a play in this do or die game. If they win, they will be declared as the champion. If the Santo Domingo wins, they'll be having the third and final game. 5 minutes remaining time. Number 6 to number 14. To number 13 once again drives, teardrop, didn't connect. Quick pass, yet didn't catch it. Retrieved, turns around to number 6, to number 19, hook shot, and he nailed it. Santo Domingo. Back to number 14. Number 7. To number 6 to regain their lead from long range. 3 points and the crowd goes wild after making that spectacular shot. Number 14 looking for revenge. Intercepted by the defenders. And a foul was called. We'll be reviewing what had happened, and live coverage is brought to you by IMJ Interactive. Running score 76-74. A 2-point lead of Barangay Defenders. Number 17, unsportsmanlike foul. 2 free throws will be given to the Barangay Defenders plus a ball possession. Number 17, second personal foul, third team foul. And he makes the first one. And that's 2 Chickens in the bucket by Daraga defenders. Now with their ball possession, now leading with 4 points. Will they increase their lead or will Santo Domingo reclaim their glory? Number 5 to number 14. In a breathtaking battle, number 14 attacks to number 5, releases. Kisses the rim but not the basket. Number 14 for their second attempt. Once again, generating the play for his team. Pump fakes, throws the ball into the air. Breakaway pass to number 16. Shoots 2 points. Now the lead is back to 2 points. Kitkitan ang labanan. Number 7 against number 13. The number 14. Foul number 7. Third personal foul. 4th team foul. Warning for penalty. Good, Jeff. Alright, thank you, good, Jeff. We're back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining time. Number 7, looking for someone. Number 19, loses the ball. Yet retrieves it back. The number 14, quick pass inside, straight into the basket, but didn't make it. Foul was called. Foul number 14. Third personal foul, penalty. No good for the first one. And he makes the second. Got a guy now leading with 3 points. Santo Domingo looking for revenge. Number 19, penalty. Number 19, first personal foul, penalty. No good for the first one. No good for the 2 shots, and the puts back still didn't connect. Hook shot by number 14, no good. Number 7, number 14, quick shot, no good. Number 14, the number 5. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 points. Last 2 minutes. Number 7 now attacking. Baseline against all odds. 2 points. Defenders now leading with 4 points. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining time. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by Santo Domingo. Now with the ball, number 13. Back to number 14. Releases. Still no good. Retrieved by number 13. Number 6, pump fakes. Number 16, pushes forward. Strip out of his hands. Number 6, protecting the ball. Number 14. 56 seconds remaining time. Intercepted by number 14. Number 13. Now with the ball. Dire-diretso. Sumalaksak. But didn't make it. Number 6. Fourth personal foul. Penalty. Warning for exclusion. And he makes the first one. And he completed the 2-point play. South Luzon, you are watching the Game 2 Finals, do or die of Santo Domingo and Daraga Defenders, the two remaining teams after many breathtaking battles starting July. Number 5, now with the ball. Number 14, steps, pump fakes to number 7. Attacks, loses the ball, retrieves it, and loses it. Timeout, Daraga National High School. Running score 82-80. A 2-point lead of the defenders in the remaining 30 seconds of the game.
Turnover. Siguraduhin yung possession namin.
One line tayo. One line. Okay, one line. Padsam. Kaya ka ba doon, ha? Sakulo. Ay, sakulo. Harold. Koy. Okay. Sakulo. Pete. Labas. Hindi natin lang. Paano niya, Sharon? Hindi tayo pwede ka na. Ito.
May shoulder lang.
Labas na. Elbow lang. Elbow lang. Koy. Hindi mo nang pick isa.
Ali!
Pick isa. Corner ka. Okay. Pag wala
And now down to the final 30 seconds, or probably the last seconds of Bicol Season 2 for the Juniors Division. These two teams have undertaken many battles starting July against different schools in the entire Bicol region. And now, we're about to witness who will win and who will be the champion for this year's Bicol Season 2. Will it be the Daraga National High School Defenders or Santo Domingo National High School? We will find out. Defenders, now in the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Releases, no good. Rebounded. Puts it straight into the basket. Timeout. Maraming salamat sa mga dumayo pa mula Albay. Thank you for supporting our local players. Welcome to Ateneo Denado University. 14 seconds of the match between Daraga National High School Defenders and Santo Domingo National High School for their championship match. For the college championship, we'll be having the Game 2 finals at the UNC Sports Palace tomorrow. Ateneo de Naga University versus NCF Tigers. This is it. For their last possession, shoots, didn't make it. Foul number 22, 5 fouls. Number 23, excluded player. Walang bubura, pero huwag kalimutang huminga. Eto na. And he makes the second one. Time out. Daraga National High School Defenders.
Brento, Pacham, Roy, Harold. Koy. Bako. Malapit siya. Si Harold din ako. Okay, guys. Harold. Quick, kay Koy. Koy, labas. Dali mo yun. Makapig, Harold. Pag may mabot, sige yung dalawa. Okay?
Anas kayong dalawa, Pacham at Brento.
Pag wala yung dalawa. Bigay ng pang.
Si Brento tapos na Reds. Ay, bakit ako sa tika? Baka ma-offensive ka mo. Wide lang kayo, wide.
Yan lang, saro lang na anis inbound.
Ayos lang na big. Anis inbound, big pass! Big pass!
Number 7, looking for someone. Foul number 14. Penalty. And he misses the second one. Time to Bicol with the rebound. Number 14, 5 seconds. And that's the end of the match. With a score, 85-82. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your champion in the juniors Bicol Season 2 Division, Daraga National High School Defenders!
Okay, now we come to the awarding for our first runner-up. And we would like to call in, of course, the Bicol officers to present the award for our first runner-up. We'd like to call in President Sir Mario Villanueva, Dr. and Father Dan Corial, Sir Dwight Labi, Sir Don Mazon, to present the award for our first runner-up. And of course, we'd like to call in the players and the coach for the first runner-up player. First runner-up for the Bicol Season 2 Basketball League. Santo Domingo National High School. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our first runner-up, Santo Domingo National High School. like to invite everyone to watch the Game 2 tomorrow at 5 o'clock at University of Nueva Cáceres Gymnasium at 5 o'clock between Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights and the NCF Tigers. So ladies and gentlemen, Bicol Season 2 Basketball League Champion, Daraga National High School. They request the coach and the players please together with the coaching staff of Daraga National High School. Bicol Season 2 Basketball League Champion, Daraga National High School. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And congratulations to the champion for the Bicol Season 2 Basketball League, Daraga National High School. Again, the awarding will be tomorrow at 4:30 at University of Nueva Cáceres Gym. Mr. Nagar Mase Adolfo, Mase Nagar Acabado and Villares. Please be at the UMC Sports Palace tomorrow afternoon exactly 5 o'clock for the awarding. So again, we'd like to invite everyone to watch live at UNC Sports Palace Game 2 Season 2 Bicol Championship Game.
Alright, good afternoon. We just witnessed a very intense game from Daraga National High School and Santo Domingo National High School. We just witnessed the second game for Bicol Season 2, and we have here the player from Daraga National High School, the very champion of the season. So, Acabado, from last year, di ba, you were just the first runner-up. So what were your motivations this year to be the champion of the season?
Ang ginawa po namin motivation para nasa nangyari po nung last year, ginawa namin punan yun para makabawi po kami ngayon, para manalo kami ngayon. Tapos, dahil po sa sumusuporta sa amin.
Okay, so naisip mo ba na makapasok kayo sa finals and more importantly, mananalo pa?
Hindi po namin in-expect na manalo kami kasi lahat naman po ng team dito malalakas.
Okay, congratulations. So what can you say to your supporters? And we saw a while ago na meron kayong supporters all the way from your hometown.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa amin sa Daraga National High School Defenders. Yun lamang po.
Alright, thank you. That is the player of Daraga National High School. Thank you.